Guys, as I mentioned, it is Nana Week here at the show, and we've been giving some love to all the grandmas out there, all the gammies, all the mimas, the bubbies, the abuelas. Every night this week, we've been shining a spotlight on a talented grandma. Tonight's talented Nana is Debbie Baza. She is from the Bronx, and she's going to do some stand-up comedy for us tonight. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, give a warm welcome to Debbie Baza.
Hi, everybody. I'm so happy to be here with all of you. I'm married 30 years. It took 3 husbands, but it's still 30 years. Wow, what a great-looking audience. Do I look okay? Thank you. It's a lot of work between the creams, moisturizers, and lotions. I got into bed last night, slept right on the floor. My 2 grown daughters moved back home. That crap shouldn't be allowed. They were always fighting and screaming growing up. One morning, they're beating each other up over the last pair of school socks. I'm trying to open my eyes and drink my coffee. I walked out of the room. I figured, let the stronger one live. I don't care. And they would threaten me. I'm running away. So I would reassure them and tell them, honey, you don't have to run away. I'll get the car and take you wherever you want to go. Do me a favor. Take your sister with you. I like my own room. Your father's snoring's keeping me up all night. Isn't that the worst, trying to sleep with a snorer? You got that little window in between and to fall asleep. He tried. He got the no-snore tape and the no-snore spray. He even got a no-snore pillow. It kind of works if you put it on his face and... I just want to say I love my daughters and I do anything for them. Maybe I do a little more for one, but basically I do anything for them. You've been a great audience. Thank you.
Oh, my God. You were phenomenal. Thank you so much. Come on. Debbie Baza. Debbie Baza. That was fantastic. Love it. Thank you so much for coming on the show.
And thank you for signing my book.
Oh, my God. I'll sign your book, whatever you want.
Yes, oh, my God.
Are you kidding me? That snoring bit was fantastic. I loved it.
Thank you.
Give it up for Debbie Baza, everybody.
Hey, hey.